cord right now. All right, so since I'm making this one for both of us, it's I'm combining the ingredients rather than doing them one at a time. So, you said what?
So why did they put my chicken?
Oh, they don't be caring. They don't care at all. Put the to the bike. So we got a double serving. So this calls for 1 cup of almond milk, 1 carrot, 1 cup of orange, and 1 banana. I'm using 2 medium-sized carrots. I'm using 2 cups of almond milk, the Almond Breeze almond milk. I don't like oranges, and you need to do your own research to find out why. So I'm using mandarins, or cuties for short, as some people would call them. Tangerines, whatever you want to call them. They're awesome, they're great, they're easy to peel. And because in my last smoothie I had a little bit left over, those yellow things you see there are bits of mango. So I'll be using those bits of mango as well. And then at the end I have a nice little secret that I'm gonna add to my recipe. Once we get this all going, kind of push it down to the sides. We'll go ahead and put our blender top on. Now, again, like I've told you, only thing you need to do is blend for a couple of seconds. It depends on your consistency, how you like your smoothie. If you want it to be extra smooth, you don't need to blend it for that long. If you want it a little thicker, you go a little less on the almond milk. If you want it to be nice and smooth, you blend for a few more seconds. Still see some of my mango bits floating around in there, so I'll blend it a little bit longer, but it's looking pretty good. It has a nice sherbet color to it, a nice smooth texture. That banana really did good in there, so let's go ahead and blend it a little bit more. You might ask, hey, well, why are you shaking the blender? I'm ghetto, so you know, a lot of what I do come from not having and stuff not working the way it's supposed to. So I just kind of, you know, shake it up a little bit while it's on there blending, and voila, there we have 2 servings of the banana, carrot, and orange smoothie with the almond milk in there. I told you I had a little surprise, little special ingredient towards the end. So I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of that in there, just like that. We'll go ahead and blend that back up. Oh, it smells incredible. I really wish, you know, so much for scratch and sniff TV, right? I will try to blend these up. Try to have one of these consistently because I really like smoothies and I really like juicing. I'll try to have one of these every Saturday for you guys. Please continue to watch. If you criticize me, I don't care. You can't find me, you can't do anything to me, and guess what? I make it because I like it. I'll try to have one of these up for you guys every Saturday. This is my first. It was a free-for-all. It was like, hey, let's get out there and do it, see what we can have happen. This smells absolutely amazing. Oh my goodness, I wish you guys could smell it. Oh, but I'm going to be drinking this in just a little bit. You guys have a great day. I love everybody. Keep on tuning in to me. Keep on liking, keep on subscribing, and just give me some encouragement. Y'all have a wonderful day.